Here's how to use the Zelle app with a debit card. If your bank doesn't have a direct Zelle integration, you can use the separate Zelle app and link an eligible Visa or MasterCard debit card. Start by downloading the Zelle app from the App Store. Open it, select Get Started, allow the necessary permissions, and enter your mobile phone number. Review the terms regarding your personal data and account security, then select Continue. Next, search for your bank. If your bank already supports Zelle directly, the app will tell you to use Zelle through your bank's app instead. If your bank isn't listed, select Don't see your bank and enter your email address. Verify the code sent to your email to continue. You'll then have the option to link your debit card. Zelle supports eligible Visa and MasterCard debit cards, but American Express cards, business debit cards, prepaid cards, and credit cards aren't eligible. Enter your debit card information and billing address. Then select Continue. Once completed, your debit card will be linked to your Zelle account, allowing you to send and receive money through the Zelle app even without a direct integration with your bank. If you encounter an issue, make sure you're using an eligible personal Visa or MasterCard debit card. That's all for this video. Thanks!